Are you concerned about falling? In the next year, 1 in 4 seniors will experience a fall. Do not allow yourself to become a statistic. Tai Chi is proven to reduce your fall risk by 58%. Classes for all abilities are available throughout DuPage County. Tai Chi, exercise for life, exercise for you.
So bring your hands up and gently tap below your collarbone. And the middle of your sternum. It's lucky the grass was mown before we got started. Side of your ribs. And loose and relaxed swing. Loose and relaxed as you can. I do have to say it's a very nice morning this morning. And I've got the fragrance from the freshly mown grass as well. The fragrance of the freshly mown grass. Now the sight of the trees and the leaves around me. The sight of the sun shining down from clear blue skies. The sound of the singing birds. And the occasional car going past. The feel of the earth beneath my feet. And the energy of the earth connecting with that. The feeling of my earpiece. But the feeling of the cool air on my skin. While at the same time feeling the warmth of the sun. So noticing different parts of how it feels. The right side of my face feels nice and warm and the left side feels cooler. My hands swinging. Feel the coolness of the movement of the air on them. And if you breathe in a little bit through the mouth, you can actually almost taste that freshly mown grass. When you're doing things like this, one of the joys can be to connect with all of your senses and take a moment or two to really notice each one individually rather than trying to sense everything at the same time. Just pick one sense for a few moments. And then when you think you've experienced all of that sense, move on to another one. Notice how some of the senses overlap. Let's say the scent of the new mown grass also translates almost into a taste of that new mown grass. That sense of smell is so strong. The sight of the sun, the feeling of the sun's rays. And this morning we will be doing ringing the temple bell as usual to start our week off. And this week, there will be no class on Friday, as I've been asked to present my fall prevention class at Bloomingdale Park District. And that will be happening Friday morning starting at 10 a.m. It usually runs about an hour and a half-ish. And so that will be Zoomed, and it will be using the same class link. So rather than coming at 9 o'clock for class, come at 10 o'clock for the fall prevention class. Or if you're local, you can attend in person at the Park District. See, my friends, mis amigos. See, yeah. See. It's one of our landscaping guys. So yes, so Friday, in place of this class, is our fall prevention class. So lots of useful, practical information for you to help to keep yourself safe. And of course, the safer that you keep yourself, the more that you reduce your risk of falling, and the more that you delay your onset of falling, the longer your life expectancy and the higher the quality of your life. So many people think about the quantity of life, trying to extend it. However, the quality of the life that we live is, some people may say, just as important. Some people may say it's more important. And of course, if you get my email newsletter, which you should have got last night, the information's in my email newsletter. Also in our email newsletter were the links and information on the retreat that I am co-hosting at the end of January 21st to the 23rd in Dragoon, Arizona, Triangle T Guest Ranch. The full weekend from Friday afternoon through to Sunday afternoon. Lots and lots of different classes. Classes on earthing, affirmation setting, mantras, mudras, We'll be doing some of the usual things like rejuvenation exercises. I'll be doing a series on chakra system. And we will be having sunrise, sunset meditation. And Friday evening will be a singing bowls sound meditation. So lots and lots of stuff going on that weekend. Triangle Tea is an awesome place. Wonderful, wonderful energy. Triangle Tea is the reason I want to move to Arizona. It's one of the best places I've ever been to. And early registration for that runs through until the end of this month. And if you're thinking about transport, flights into Tucson are currently running $325 round trip. If you fly into Phoenix, return flights for 2 people plus 3 days of car hire is currently running $350. So if you have a friend that you would like to bring, very cost effective. Tucson is about 55 minutes away, and Phoenix is about 2.5 hours away. And it's all easy expressway drive. And allow your arm to come to it. And turn your weight. And allow your arms to swing on. Bring your hands in, small back on the opposite side. Inside the shoulder on the front. Hmm. And take your arms out. Bring your weight to a head to one shoulder. Roll it down round to the without tilting it back across. Exhale round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. One more. And change direction. One more. And bend your knees, let your arms hang down. Roll your one more. Change direction. One. Good. Straighten up and rub your hands. Rest. forearms. Elbows. Interlace your fingers. Roll your wrists. Change direction. Push one wrist up and then the other. Good. Nod your wrist. Rub the palms of your hands. Hands on the small of your back. Keep your head still, your head upright. Circle your way. One. Change direction. One. And if you choose, you can bring your feet closer together. Circle your toes. And change direction. One. And then bring your feet as close together as you're safe and comfortable. Rub the palms of your hands. Rub your knees. Pat. Good. Rest your hands above your knees. Bend and straighten. One more. Good. Straighten up. Keep yourself safe and comfortable. Take one foot. Rotate your arm. Change direction. One. Tap the ball of foot. Change feet. Again, keep yourself safe and comfortable and rotate your arm. Change direction. That's what happens when you lose your focus for a moment, when you try and read something on a car going past. Good. And tap the ball of foot. Oh no. That car's driving very slowly. Strange, suspicious car. All right. Ringing the temple down. So bring yourself to the natural stance, feet shoulder width apart, toes straight forward, knees relaxed, back up straight, head up tall, arms relaxed at your side. And bring yourself into the present moment. Letting go of the past, letting go of the future. To be truly present with what you're doing and the thoughts that you're having. Exhale. Inhale, reach up. Bring the palms together. Exhale, pull down. And rest and breathe here. As you contemplate your reason for entering the space that you are choosing to enter. Remember that you have the free will to adjust this spiritual exercise for any belief system that you choose. Inhale. Exhale, reach forward. Thumbs down. Inhale, open the first. Palms up at the small back. Exhale, bring forward your first offering. Sink down. And rest and breathe here. As you reflect on what you have to offer. Inhale. Exhale. Place your first offering down. Inhale, reach up. Bring your palms together. Exhale, pull to your face. Then bend at the waist. Take your hands between your knees. Inhale, bring your hands to your face. Straighten up. Let go. Exhale, pull down. And rest and breathe here. You contemplate your reason for entering the second door. Inhale. Exhale, reach out. Inhale, open the second. Exhale, bring forward your second offering. Sink down. And rest and breathe here as for the second time you reflect on what you have to offer. Maybe going deeper with your thoughts from the first time. Maybe having new revelations. Inhale. Exhale, place your second offering down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull down. Inhale up. Exhale, pull down. And rest here. As for the third time, you contemplate your reason for entering the third door. Inhale. Exhale, reach out. Inhale, open the third door. Exhale, bring forward your third offering. Sink down. And for the third time, reflect on what you have to offer. Inhale. Exhale. Place your third offering down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull down. Inhale up. Exhale, pull down. And rest and breathe here. Now that you are inside your special place, your sacred space, whatever this space is to you, what does it mean to you to be fully present in this space? To be fully present in this time and space. Inhale. And exhale, bring your hand. And that completes ringing the temple bell. So hopefully that sets you up for your week to come. And so I look forward to seeing you for class Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And remember, Friday, we have the fall prevention seminar at 10 a.m. Central Time. So hopefully you can make it to some of those.